Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a mock-up in Photoshop. Let's get started. Import a picture of a billboard. You can download it for free on the internet. If you want the link for the image, just drop a comment below. Choose the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of a similar size of the billboard. Then, convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl-T for free transform. While holding the Ctrl key, place the corners of the rectangle to the corners of the billboard. Make sure you take your own time and align it perfectly. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. Next, double-click on the smart object, which is the rectangle. Import the image you need to place and align it to cover the entire rectangle. Go to File and Save, or you can also press Ctrl and S to save the smart object. Then go to your billboard image and you will see the change. To make it more realistic, open the blending options and do the following adjustments. You can also do this by changing the blend mode to dark or multiply. Okay guys, now it has got a realistic look. You can change the image you want by double-clicking on the smart object and repeating the same process. And we've done it. A perfect mock-up in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.